Good morning, my name is Andy Weingarten, and I'd like to persuade you to go to the United States Capitol building. It's a building that rules all nation and the world. The Capitol building is famous for its great architectural feat. It's most famous for its massive white dome. The great structure is also home to the Senate and the House of Representatives. The Capitol makes history every day. I think the United States Capitol building is a must-see sight in our nation. You will be surprised how easy it is to get in and tour this big Capitol building. Most people think it's too crowded and complicated to get in the Capitol building. Another common problem that keeps people from going to the Capitol building is they think it's too hard to get to. Since we live so close to Washington, D.C. in Loudoun County, why not go this weekend or anytime you want to visit? Tickets are very extra easy to get online. The best part of getting the tickets is that they are free. To receive these tickets, you have to go to the Capitol's website, which is www.visitthecapitol.gov. There you can get 12 tickets for yourself or for a group up to 10 people. You can pick a time and a date. Although the Capitol building is only open to tourists from 9:30 to 8:30 Mondays through Saturdays. Tickets will be emailed to you. And before you go on your tour, you can see the new museum or go to one of the gift shops or be at the cafeteria in the food hall center. I think the best way to get to the Capitol building is to take the metro. The metro is cheap and easy to do, and also it's a short walk from the station to the Capitol building. And when you first see the Capitol building, it's a amazing sight. The building is composed of two great neoclassical houses surrounded by white columns. From the Washington Mall, the house on the right is the House of Representatives, and the house on the left is the Senate. The only way to visit the House or the Senate part of the building is to get special tickets from the congressman. And all the congressmen are straightforward. You can also get these tickets online through the website. The history is made every day in this building, all the time. It's a must-see for every American citizen, I think. And the greatest feature of the Capitol building is this huge white ornate dome made of marble. The dome is about 18 stories high and 96 feet in diameter. On the top of the dome of the outside is a statue of a Native American symbolizing freedom. From within the building, the dome will take your breath away. The inside is filled with gold, and as high as point is a famous picture of a painting of the opposites of George Washington. It's just the image of Washington with gods of different mythologies. Also throughout the Capitol, the states that are represented with statues of two famous Americans. So go this weekend with the free ticket. If the tickets have been all taken, you can always just see the free museum. I think the United States Capitol is a must-see in our nation. If you love civics and great architecture, you will like the United States Capitol building. I think all American citizens have a responsibility to see this great building. Also remember that tickets are free. Thank you.